It is time for another property tour with your host, Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, we are at Grand Braniff Park in Irving, Texas, at Grand Homes. And let's head in. We're in, y'all. We're so in. Here we go. And as I get started, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this new community. It is a luxury home community featuring about 100 semi-custom homes, give or take, and it is right by Las Colinas. You guys know where that is. Very close to dining, shopping, outdoor activities, entertainment, stuff like that. Easy access to both airports, Dallas Love Field and DFW Airport. And there is hiking trails, biking trails, stuff like that around here to keep y'all busy. In downtown Dallas, y'all, 15 minutes, give or take, depending on traffic, 15-20 minutes. And we're just strolling along here, y'all. Looking at the kitchen here, the modern lighting fixtures. And I just want y'all to kind of soak this in. And look at that electric fireplace, y'all. That creates the vibes. Say it every time. And let's go into the master suite. And we have wood beam, cedar beam, ceiling decoration. Modern lighting fixtures, garden tub, stand-up shower. Look at that. That is awesome. I love that. Grand Homes does an excellent job with their lighting fixtures, y'all. Cannot tell y'all enough about the uniqueness I see when I come in these homes. Love the under cabinet lighting too. And here is the master walk-in closet. And y'all, these are priced from $880K. Some of them start a little lower if it's a different floor plan, about $790, give or take, but this model starts at $880. And this model right here featured is not for sale yet. It will be after they're done building, of course. Here's the pantry. And this one is about 3,700 square feet, maybe a little more. And it is Irving ISD. Vereen Elementary School, Travis Middle School, and MacArthur High School. And this is the guest bedroom downstairs, in-law suite. Love the wine cellar they added. And let's head upstairs. And right here, y'all, we have the game room media combo. So there's the media and the game room. And as you can see, they did a good job decorating here. There's the dry bar over here and private study area for those young scholars. Shout out. And here's the third bedroom with a Jack and Jill, double vanity, modern lighting, upgraded mirror with your shower tub combo, floor to ceiling backsplash. And the fourth bedroom. So good sized bedrooms for the kiddos or anyone else you have living with you. I love how they did this. That stuff makes a huge difference in the house, y'all. And let's head back down here. And we are gonna head outside, y'all. But nice open floor plan, breakfast nook with the bay windows. And out here we have a cedar pergola with the decorative landscaping. And it's got a little side yard here. Pretty spacious yard. And it's got a fire pit over there, built-in outdoor kitchen, grill. And I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour here in Irving, Texas. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and like button for me so we can inform others on the awesome Texas real estate market. And I will catch y'all on the next one.